Hello there, Maverick traders. This is Imri and welcome to another TradingView tutorial. In this video, I'll be covering how to create some favorites lists, specifically favorites lists for some technical drawing tools and then for timeframes as well, which is a very nifty feature found in TradingView. So we're actually going to start off with how to create some favorite timeframes. So as you can see here in this top left-hand corner, I have my favorite timeframes. Now, there is a little drop-down arrow here, and if you hover your mouse cursor over it, it's going to say time interval. Now, if I simply click this drop-down arrow, you're going to see that I have all these time frames here, and they're subcategorized according to ranges, days, hours, and minutes. And each different time frame, if you hover your mouse over it, has a little star, and if you click on that star, it will add it to its favorite. So what we're going to do here is we're going to uncheck all the favorite timeframes that I have, and we're going to add some favorites from scratch. So as you can see, once I remove all my favorite timeframes, I only have the current time frame, which I'm viewing the market on right now, which in this case happens to be the 4-hour time frame. So I'm going to click on my time frame button, and I sometimes look at a 5-minute chart, so I'm going to click on the star there and add it to my favorites. I also like the 15-minute chart. I like the 30-minute chart. I like the 1-hour chart. I like the 4-hour chart. I like the daily chart, and I like the weekly and monthly charts. So there we go. Now I've got my favorite time frames available at a quick glance or at a quick click of the mouse. And if I want to add other favorite timeframes, I just have to select the star option to do so. All right, now moving on to our drawing tools. Now, TradingView has a lot of drawing tools and they're categorized, right? So although it looks like, we have several drawing tools here, there's actually so many more. And if you hover your mouse cursor over the icon, you're going to see the category. So here we have trendline tools. I'm going to click on this little gray arrow here to pop out the menu. And as you can see, I've got a couple of favorites already. So there's a lot of trendline tools. For me, I've just favorited the trendline and the parallel channel. And then below the trendline tools, we have our Gann and Fibonacci tools. So you can see there's a lot of tools here. I've only favorited fib retracements and the trend-based fib extension tool. And then here we have some annotation tools. So we've got texts, callouts. You can even add images, price labels, and so on. I don't really bother with this stuff too much, so I don't have any of them favorited. Next are Elliott Wave tools. Elliott Wave tools are something that I use a lot in my charting, so I've gone ahead and favorited all the Elliott Wave specific tools. And then here below we have prediction and measurement tools. I've favorited the long and short position tools because I use these two quite a bit. Very handy for quickly being able to assess risk-reward ratios at a quick glance in TradingView. Very, very handy. Highly recommend that tool. Below that, we've got icons. This is just, completely useless in my opinion. And that's it. The other buttons here are more for chart functionality. So for example, we have a magnet mode, which will anchor your drawings based on open, high, low, and close values of the nearest price bar. And then all the way down here in the bottom left-hand corner is the star, which shows our favorite drawing tools toolbar. So I'm going to click this, and you can see my drawing tools toolbar right here. This makes it very easy for me to pull the tool that I need, very quickly in order to be able to quickly make drawings on the price chart that are useful to me. For me, that tends to be a lot of channels, a lot of Fibonacci tools, and then of course those Elliott Wave labels as well. So there you have it, folks. Very straightforward tutorial. Nice, short, sweet, and to the point. Hope this was helpful. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care, folks.